Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by launching Polycam and selecting the room's scan option. This gives you the right capture pipeline. Once done, pick your quality, fast for quick drafts or high for detailed meshes, because quality affects processing time. Make sure your device is charged above half and has storage, and turn off sleep and notifications so the scan won't be interrupted. Walk the space mentally and clear obstacles, then plan a clockwise route that keeps each pass overlapping the previous pass by about 60% to help alignment. You now perform the actual sweep. Move steadily around the room, holding the device 1 to 2 meters from surfaces, because consistent distance keeps tracking stable. Make 2 passes, one lower angle and one higher, and slow down when scanning corners, furniture undersides, or occlusions so Polycam records enough features. If you encounter textureless walls, introduce visual anchors like a patterned cloth briefly to create features for the algorithm. Remember to pause for a second or two on tricky areas. You finish by returning to your start point and ending the scan with overlap so Polycam can loop closure cleanly. Save the capture and wait for the reconstruction. Choose local processing for privacy or cloud if you need faster or higher power processing. Inspect the mesh for holes. Small gaps can be retaken or repaired inside the app. If alignment errors appear, rescan the problematic zone with greater overlap, add a patterned anchor, or simply slow your motion to reduce blur and improve tracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.